What does it mean to build muscle?
Building muscle refers to the process where your muscles become larger and stronger in response to exercise, especially resistance training like lifting weights. This process, called muscle hypertrophy, happens not only at the surface you can see, but deep inside each muscle cell, where changes help your body adapt to the demands you place on it.
How do muscles respond to exercise?
When you work out, especially using resistance or heavy loads, your muscle fibers experience tiny amounts of damage or stress. This is a normal, healthy part of exercise. Your body quickly begins to repair these small tears, setting the stage for growth and strengthening.
What happens on a cellular level?
Inside your muscles, special cells called satellite cells jump into action. They help repair the damaged fibers by fusing with them and donating their nuclei. This adds new material to the muscle, allowing it to grow thicker and stronger than before.
Why is rest and nutrition important?
Rest and nutrition are crucial for muscle building. After a tough workout, your muscles need time to recover and rebuild. Protein-rich foods provide the building blocks for new muscle tissue. Without enough rest or fuel, muscle growth is slowed or stopped.
Can everyone build muscle equally?
Everyone can build muscle, but individual results depend on factors like genetics, age, diet, and training routine. While some people see changes faster than others, consistent training and good nutrition can help most individuals improve their muscle size and strength over time.
Are there limits to muscle growth?
There are natural limits to how much muscle you can gain. Eventually, progress slows as your body adapts. This is normal and can be overcome by adjusting workouts or nutrition. Sustainable muscle growth is a gradual process that rewards patience and long-term effort.